Well, dear friends, today I am going to share with you the ABC of success. What are the pillars of success? Many students come to me and they ask that what is the secret of the success? I usually tell them always remember ABC of success. A is attitude, B is believing in yourself, your belief, and C is your commitment. You see, once Albert Einstein told, weakness of attitude reflects poor character. So if your attitude is poor, it is equivalent to poor character. It is you who have to take the responsibility for all your acts. Never complain, never whine. Always remain in a positive state of mind and in positive frame and think differently from the others. Thinking differently and thinking positively. That is your right attitude. I am narrating you a small story, a very famous story, that how a balloon seller, he was selling the balloons of various colors. When he was passing through a street, a small boy saw him, and standing from the roof of the house, he saw that the balloon seller is selling all colors of balloon. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, but not the black color balloon. So the boy thought that probably the black color balloon cannot fly. So the boy came downstairs and he tugged the shirt of the balloon seller and asked very politely कि भैया ये क्या ब्लैक कलर का बैलून भी उड़ता है? The balloon seller saw the boy and he immediately understood the concern of the boy. That since the boy was little black in color, so it didn't take him any time in understanding the concern of the boy. He just took the black color balloon and filled something in it and showed the boy that the balloon, black color balloon, is also soaring high in the sky. It was flying high in the sky. And the boy was very happy. So dear friends, now the question is whether it is the color of the balloon that helps to fly the balloon in the sky or something filled in it that helps the balloon to fly in the sky. Definitely, yes, you are right. It is something filled in it. And that something filled in it, in the context of the balloon, is the helium gas. But in your context, this is your attitude. Your attitude always help you to be successful, to fly high in the sky like a balloon. If you have a positive attitude, if you are thinking differently, if you are finding opportunity in every situation, in every problem, that is your positive attitude. You see that two salesmen, they were entrusted a job to sell the shops, to sell the shoes in the jungles of Africa, where a lot of tribal people were living there. And when the two They were given a time frame. They were given the deadline to submit the report that what is the potential there to sell the shoes in the jungles of Africa. They were given a deadline of 1 week, that submit the report after 1 week. And after 1 week, when both the salesmen they submitted the report, one of the salesmen, he was not considered for promotion, whereas the other salesman, not only he was considered for promotion, but his salary was made double. Now what was there in the reports? The first salesman gave the report that it is not possible to sell the shoes in the jungles of Africa, since every tribal people, all the people, they are living barefooted, they are not wearing the shoes, hence it is not possible to sell the shoes. Whereas the other salesman went to the same forest, submitted a very positive report that there is an enormous opportunity to create and tap the new market. Since nobody is wearing the shoes, so there are enormous opportunity to sell the shoes in the jungles of America for the company. So my dear friends, that is the attitude. Create opportunity for yourself. There are enough opportunities. Never whine, never complain that there is a dearth of opportunities. No, there is no dearth of opportunities. Only thing is you have to explore it with your positive attitude. Second, whenever the students as usually comes to me, I tell, believe in yourself that you can do anything. Because if you are determined, if you believe in yourself, your determination will produce positive results. Your tenacity will produce positive results. A very fascinating and very famous story which I always liked is about the mountain man of Dashrath Manji, living in a small Gehlor village of Gaya district, working in the mines for some time. When he came back to his native village and he started the petty jobs, and he was working as an agricultural laborer in the fields, and the connectivity, the accessibility of his village and the nearer town, nearer urban place, that was around 55 kilometers. It was very inaccessible, and there was a ridge on the way. So the people were passing all the distance, a long distance of 55 kilometers. And when he thought that why can't he make the way through the ridge, everybody laughed at him. Everybody. But Manji dreamt that he can do it. He believed in his approach that yes, he can do it. And he started the work with simple hammer and chisel. In 1960, he started the work. And for 22 years, with his great determination and willpower, he worked, and finally he made through the passage. And the passage from accessibility from his native village to the town, that was shortened by 40 kilometers. 110 meter long passage he made. Almost 3 meter in width, he made the passage, and the distance was shortened by 40 kilometers. Instead of 55 kilometers, now the distance remained only 15 kilometers. So dear friends, believing in yourself that you can do it. Yes, you can do it. You are the most brilliant individual. You are the most unique individual. You have the unique abilities. Never undermine your abilities. Never undermine your capabilities. Only thing is, believe in yourself and start doing that activity. And the C part of this, the success is your commitment. When it comes to commitment, when you are committed to do a particular task, how many times you get failed? It is not the times how many times you get failed. It is how many times you get up after getting failed. King Bruce failed 7 times in his attempt. He was defeated 7 times, but for the 8th time, he was successful. That he was committed. I just want to narrate again a small story that is a real story of this Bombay lunchbox wala. How he started. He started delivering the lunch boxes, tiffins during the lunchtime with only 100 tiffins. But with his persistence, with his hard work, with his determination, today he is supplying more than 2 lakh lunch boxes to the office goers of Bombay. Dear friends, when Prince Charles came here, he desired to meet Mr. Pawan Agarwal, the lunchbox wala, that how this man transformed the whole concept of logistics. And the beauty of this story is that the lunchbox was never exchanged and it was not delayed. Out of 16 million lunchboxes, there was only one mistake. And dear friends, it is more than 6 sigma. The famous magazines of America, Forbes and Fortune, they came here to interview this fellow and asked Mr. Agarwal that what is the secret of your success. He only told that it is only my commitment and hard work that is my secret to success. So dear friends, always believe that attitude, your good attitude, believing in yourself and your commitment for a particular task can do wonders for you. There was a survey in the Harvard Business School that what gets you the job. Dear friends, 85% of the time it is your positive attitude, it is your positive frame of mind. These are your soft skills which will get you a job. It is only 15% of the time that you get a job because how much smart you are, how much facts and figures you know. So it is only 15%. But unfortunately, today our education system has become that billions of dollars are spent on learning and rotting the facts and figures. But very few investments are made in training the persons, in training the students in such a way that they inculcate these soft skills in their parts, which is very, very important in getting you the job, and how much distance you can travel, how much promotions you can get with these positive attributes. So dear friends, in the end, always remember these characteristics which will help you in achieving success in your lives. Thank you.